This is Miss Tate, still holding for Director Hoover. And I'm just confirming you told Mr. Hoover that I know all about his secret files. Please hold.
J. Edgar Hoover, Director of the FBI. How'd you get his number?
I called the main switchboard, and I've been transferred like 10 times.
This is Hoover. With whom am I speaking?
Director Hoover. You don't know me, but I know you very well. For instance, I know that you keep secret illegal files on so-called threats to the American public.
Young lady, you are gravely mistaken.
Like the ones about the Kennedy Monroe affair.
This is absurd.
And of course, the especially juicy file all about your boss, President Lyndon Johnson. Question, he doesn't know about your secret files, does he? Be a shame if he found out. He'd probably be upset with you.
You'd never get to the president.
I got to you, didn't I?
What do you want?
Not much at all. I just need you to muzzle a very problematic agent of yours in Riverdale. Agent Perry Pierce.
Yeah, this is Agent Pierce. Director Hoover. Yes, sir. We were just about to go and break up an illegal gathering of violent individuals. Are you sure, sir? Yes, sir, I understand. What did Director Hoover want? He called it off. Operation Turkey Shoot has been canceled. Also, he fired me.
He fired you. Why?
Someone must have gotten to him. That agitator from the diner.
Take my hand, lead me on, let me stand. I am tired.
Keep going.
Was that my test? My mission? Banishing Percival? Keeping the diner open?
Seems like it to me. Something awful might have happened in Riverdale tonight, and you stopped it.
I wish I could do more.
Well, maybe your mission is ongoing.
Tina, we're running low on ketchup. Would you mind refreshing a couple bottles?
On it. Percival.